5 Simple Budgeting Tips to Save Money and Take Control of Your Finances. Hey there, welcome to TV Shows Era. Today we're diving into 5 simple budgeting tips that can help you save money and take control of your finances. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just make your money go further, these tips are for you. Let's get started. The first step to saving money is knowing where it's going. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to track every dollar you spend. Once you see where your money is leaking, whether it's on subscriptions, eating out, or impulse buys, you can make better decisions. Start by tracking for just 1 week, and you'll be amazed at how much you can save by identifying unnecessary expenses. It's important to have a clear picture of how much you earn versus how much you spend. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, like rent and groceries, 30% to wants, things like entertainment and dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. The key here is to be realistic about your lifestyle. If you try to cut too much, you may not stick to your plan. One of the best ways to ensure you save money is to make it automatic. Set up a direct deposit into a savings account, or use apps like Acorns or Capital to automatically round up your purchases and save the change. You won't even miss it, and before you know it, you'll have built up a nice emergency fund or savings for future goals. We all have those recurring subscriptions we forget about: streaming services, gym memberships, premium apps. Take a look at your bank statement and cancel subscriptions you're not using. Even just saving $10-20 a month adds up over the year, and you can redirect that money toward more important financial goals. Big purchases like vacations, new appliances, or a car can throw your budget off if you don't plan. Start setting aside money monthly into a sinking fund for those big-ticket items. The earlier you start, the less stressful it will be when the time comes. That way, you're not scrambling to come up with a lump sum at the last minute. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance advice. Let me know in the comments what budgeting tips work for you, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.